Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold on Trading212. And if you want to buy gold on Trading212, you can go right here to search and search right here for XAUSD. And then you will find right here gold. So we can click right here on gold. And now if you want to buy gold, we can click here on buy. Then we can fill in right here, if you click here on the double arrows, if you want to buy it in the value or the quantity. And I recommend you to do value because now we can tell right here Trading212 that I just want to invest 1K in gold. Then right now we can add a take profit on it if you want to do that, or a stop loss to do on risk management, but you can decide by yourself if you want to do that. And then right now click on confirm buy, and you see now right here that we bought 0.25 gold at this price. So now if I'm going right here to my positions, you see here at gold that we bought ourselves a nice position. So this is how you can buy gold right here on Trading212. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.